Time now to take some of the BTSC trades. Kulan, what is on your list?
So there'll be two buy calls which I'll suggest at current levels. The first one is actually a buy on Bharat Forge. That's a chart which is looking attractive. The stock heading towards a breakout, 1250 as a BTSC target. Stop loss could be kept at 1190. And the second is a buy on Indian Hotels, more of a contra buy. The stock forming a base at the 750, 770 zone. So keeping a stop loss of 750 would suggest a target of 800 for Indian Hotels.
All right, those are the BTST ideas coming in from Kunal. Naresh, coming to you, what are your BTST ideas for our viewers?
So first is a buy on Reliance Industries, retest of the breakout point post number, stop loss at 1260, target price of 1300. Second is a buy on Wipro, which is crossing 3 days highs, good momentum here, stop loss at 304, target price of 315.
The BTSC trades coming in from Kunal and Naresh for now, but just for the markets, as we're trying to wrap up the day, it hasn't been really a bad trading session after many days of drubbing. At least there's a bit of a green on the screen. If you're looking at the frontline index, that is because IT as a pack has clearly outperformed today. Wipro is up 3.25%. You have other names like Infosys, TCS, Tech Mahindra. In fact, four out of the five top gainers on the Nifty are from the IT pack. Kunal, what looks the strongest within IT right now?
So right now, I think Infosys, Wipro and Infosys are the two ones which are actually looking very strong relatively. And then I think I would probably look at the mid-cap IT names where the likes of Redington, etc., which are looking very attractive. That's a chart which has been doing pretty well. Most of the other names, Coforge, Persistent, etc., these stocks had a sharp correction over the last few weeks. So I think maybe we could probably get back into a point where these stocks may come back into a deep oversold territory, and you might see a reasonable bounce into these stocks.
All right, so that's the take coming in on the tech plays. But as we wind down for trading session, yes, positive moves coming in for the benchmark indices. This after the carnage that the Dalal Street actually witnessed in yesterday's trading session. You have the broader markets, no respite for that one at all. They're ending rather the day on a weak footing. If you look at Nifty Bank, that one is holding up in line with benchmark indices, all thanks to HDFC Bank on back of their stellar set of numbers coming in and perking up the entire market as a whole. Jana Small Finance Bank, the star performer of today's trading session, the one on back of good and strong earnings. Apart from that, yesterday's losers losing in trade today as well. Dixon Tech ending the day on a negative note. Take a look at Zomato and Swiggy if they've tried to actually end the day today on a positive note, and yes, that's the case coming in for Zomato as well as not the same coming in for Swiggy. Bharat Electronics, Tata Motors, Trent and Power Grid are the top losers in trade today. Anisha, definitely, hopefully we will see a better day tomorrow coming in for the markets, though the advanced decline ratio is not showing any sort of respite, at least for today.
Yeah, but I'm just looking at the pre-market rates coming in from the US. 75-point uptick on the Dow. Nasdaq is up by around 175 points. So if this works out, maybe we are in for a green open tomorrow as well. But only time will tell that. But yes, individual names, that is where the pressure was. So India cements that result reaction coming in there. Polycab 7% lower by the end of the trading session. India Mart for a weak show and a downgrade coming in from Nomura as well. In fact, that stock has been disappointing for the last couple of quarters as well. And the street is clearly throwing in the towel. Real estate as a pack was the one which was weakest today. Lodha, of course, reacting to that tussle between the two brothers. But you also have Oberoi, which is under pressure. Suntech didn't do well in the trading session. Other names also like Godrej Properties, etc., Prestige were seeing quite a bit of pain today. On the gaining side, however, you have names like Bajaj Holdings, Wipro, MCX bouncing back today. That's how we've ended the trading session today. A bit of a green, but the big question is what happens tomorrow. But that is something that we'll answer for you when we come back tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. Stay tuned.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.